search engine ranking and anchor text. Do you know that when you make a comment on someone else's blog post and add your URL, you will have created a link to your website, giving it a higher value in the search engines? Links pointing to your website from another site are great. They are called backlinks, and one-way do-follow links are considered to be one of the best ways to get your site better ranking. If your website is new and you make a blog post with your domain link attached, this will very likely cause your site to get indexed faster. What this means is that you will see your web page in the search engines sooner. This happens because the search engines will find your site through this previously indexed blog that you are posting to, causing your site be indexed. Cool. You can also do this by making comments on Twitter or Delicious and adding your link there. Make sure that when you post comments your web page link is attached, and when posting to a blog, be sure that the comments are relevant to the post that you are submitting to, or they may not be considered worth approving on that site. If you have your own blog and you should have a blog with a unique domain name, this is where things get real interesting. Research some keywords before you write your blog post and be sure to add these keywords to your article. You can use Google's keyword tool to find relevant keywords or keyword phrases for your service, product, or market. To get your website to rank higher in the search engines, turn the keywords in your blog article into a hyperlink. This is called adding anchor text to your post. You are now creating a very strong relationship between these keywords and your website. The search engines love this, and the more often you do it, the more relevant your website will become with your chosen keywords. Your blog now has your selected keyword anchor text pointing to your website. Being able to create a backlink is one very important reason to have your website and your blog set up with separate domains. Let's learn by example. Say your business offers lead generation real estate agent websites, which ours does. You can see how I added into this article the keywords lead generation and real estate websites, two very good keyword phrases for my business. Most article editors have an insert link feature, making it easy to work at pushing your website higher in the search engines simply by choosing to highlight your selected keyword phrase. You then add your link, which is your URL or domain name. This will enable you to gain an associated relevance to these keywords. I would suggest if your article is short you should limit the number of links, as you are dividing the keyword strength by the number of links inserted into the article. Therefore, diminishing the value by the number of links added. In this case of adding links, more is not always better. This is especially critical if you are pulling strength away from other more significant keywords that you might be attempting to rank high for. There are many ways to improve your search engine ranking. One of the key tips to remember is that Google and Yahoo are the top two search engines and they love content, so make sure your site is full of new and interesting, keyword-rich copy. Do your research and share what you know. Post to blogs and article sites with unique, original content, and if your post gets picked up and goes viral, it might just be what it takes to push your website to page 1 in the search engines. Watch for more great tips to come. James Osmar Real Estate Agent Websites and Training Selling Tools Limited 800.409.9850